Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creative Exposure. In this video, I'll discuss about Google Workspace pricing. What would be the pricing plans if you go for Google Workspace? For that, you have to type workspace.google.com/pricing. The page will be directed like this. If you want to go directly, I'll put the link in the description so that you can find it easily. In Google Workspace, you will get many features, the bundle of features in a single subscription. Even though you can try for a 14 days trial period. So the first plan is Business Starter. It will cost you around 136.90 paisa per month if you go for yearly subscription. If you buy single month subscription, it will be cost 164.22 paisa. You will get the features of 30 GB storage, secure custom business email of your domain name, Gemini apps, 100 participant video meeting, security management and control, and standard support. If you want to upgrade little more, you can choose the business standard. It will cost you 736 rupees per year. If you go for single month, it will cost you 883.20 rupees per month. Here you'll get a 2 TB storage, secure custom business email of your domain name, Gemini app, 150 participant video call, appointment booking apps, AI-powered video creation, email layout and mail merge, security and management control, and standard support. If you go a little more further, you'll find a business plan. The cost is 1,380 rupees per month if you choose the per year plan. If you go for single month, it will cost you 1,656 rupees per month. Here you'll get features of 5 TB storages, secure custom email, Gemini app, 500 video calls, appointment booking page, AI powered video creation, email layout and mail merge, enhanced security management tools including Vault and advanced endpoint management, and standard support. If you go for extreme plan, you can choose the enterprise. Here you have to contact the salesperson of the Google so that they will customize your plan according to your needs. Here you will get a 5 TB storage, secure custom mail of your domain. Even though you will get a e-discover, e-retention, MIME encryption, Gemini app. You will get a 1000 video call meeting, appointment booking page, AI powered creation, email layout and mail merge, advanced security management and compilation control including Vault, DLP, data region and enterprise endpoint management, and enhanced support. If you want to know about brief features of the Google Workspace, see you can go through the page one by one. Here you'll get a Gmail business email, Gemini apps, Meet video calls, then Drive secure and storage cloud, chat team message, calendar, shared calendar, doc sheet and slides, app switch, so you can build the app without using codes, security and management. You will get 2-step verifications, advanced protection program, endpoint management, and so on. Don't worry, I'll put the link in the description so that you can go through one by one, and whatever you need, you can choose the plan according to your needs. So if you want to know this type of videos in future, so do subscribe, like and share. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.